guys, Tim from Gas Junkie here, and I just want to let you guys know I got a few changes coming, and I'm going to show you guys what they are after I get them put on. Alright guys, and here's a couple upgrades I got. It's the C10 body for the Stampede, so obviously I changed out the mounts. The only thing I don't like about it is where the wheel wells are. The back's pretty close, the front's way off, like the body's way too short. But I might try and adjust some stuff here. But kind of just threw this together in a hurry because I can go run tonight. And as you can see, new wheels also. The guy sold me a set of 4, and I got 2 for the rear with the tires mounted for the left side, as you can see. So I am going to try and get the tire off and put it on the right way, but I ain't going to do that tonight. But I figured I'd let you guys see it. I decided to go with purple for the body. Still got a little bit of trimming to do on the bottom of the body. These things are not as easy to cut out as I thought they would be. But I'll get some shots of it outside too for you guys. The wheels are actually off of the, what's it called, Bigfoot and the Craniac. Decided I want to try something different, set of 4. So I have both set of my other wheels there. I'm probably going to get a good set of street tires for the back and run. I might try get a new spur and pinion gear, try to do a speed run, but for now I'm just going to stick to this. I'm going to try it off-road, jump in it. I also ordered a fan for the ESC. I just ordered the Traxxas one via the Valenian. But until next time guys, thanks for watching.